What a machine. Some deep sand here, it's got in a gush yet. Traction control's coming on. It's a trail seeker. Ooh! V8 twin turbocharged. You can't get past this can just do anything the Defender can do. It's just so powerful, just keep going.
What's that smell, Joe? I'm smelling the smell, Joe. Is that the clutch?
Probably, Joe. Oh my god! Axle articulation! Axle articulation there, mate.
You've got a situation, Joe. I'm grounding it.
I think you need a tow, mate.
You're grounding it.
Aluminium plating shall ride off here, no bother. You'll be fine.
I've got a man tip. Oh! See this articulation, boys.
Oh yeah.
Right in the slope here. Sorry.
We're in a tricky bit of terrain here, showing what the Freelander can do. Hill descent controls on, taking her down, and she's away. I can't see that. Oh bloody hell! We're gonna have to get Super's company involved. Oh bloody hell! Oh god! Oh god! Look at that beauty! Look at it!
Made a hard day at work. Oh, we're up the garage, mate. We need to do some work, innit?
Oh god! This is cool. Death. You know, a few clutch problems these gaps.
That's actually articulate.
Oh, this is the angry trolls zone. You're fired. Freelander 2. Hard day at work. The trial seeker. Beautiful. Look at the articulation.
Make a little thing up like we did with that, you know, for the action
Yeah.
We've been collecting wood. As you can see, the wing mirror's broke here.